Today's recipe is traditional South Indian Rava Rotti. Let me begin. I'm going to pour in the rava. I can feel it warm. I can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now I'm going to show you how to mix roti batter, salt and the green chilli. Just a bit of sugar. This I'm going to mix it dry. To this I'm adding finely chopped onions, and this is the spring onion or the green onion and freshly grated coconut and some chopped coriander. There is another ingredient to go with this, that is the buttermilk. The sour curds added some water. This is the binding agent. Mix very small portion so that the rava doesn't get soaked. This is how it should look, and this is ready to make it into roti. Smear some oil, apply it evenly. Now this is ready to be roasted. Some oil. I'm going to cover it for a few minutes. Now this is roasted well. Our crispy onion rava roti is ready. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Food.